this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a BlackBull Markets account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to blackbull.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you can see that you'll have the option to either log into your already existing account or you can join now. If you click join now, you'll go into the process of register and open up a BlackBull account. From here, it should bring something like this, where you can see you can sign up to BlackBull Markets. Here you can enter your email address and click join now, or you can also sign up using your Google or Gmail account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook account. Once you've done that, you'll see the account registration, and here you'll see your email address that you placed in previously. You'll need to enter in a password, your first name, last name, middle name, date of birth. Here are the application types where you can either select live trading or demo trading if you want just a demo account. You can open up both of these accounts inside of the dashboard, so this doesn't really matter what you choose. And here you can enter country of residence, where you can enter here by searching, and then you'll need to enter your mobile phone number. You also down here need to select I am not a US resident or citizen and I agree to the BlackBull Markets FSA policies. As you can see here, once you have registered, you'll see you'll have sent a verification code into your email, and then you'll just need to enter this code right here, this 6-cipher code, and click verify. And here you can see now we are 25% on the application progress. Here you'll need to enter a bunch of different additional details like entity type, either if you're a company or a trust fund. You'll need to select your gender, address, state, city, zip code, and country of citizen, tax certification number, and all of this. You'll also need to add in your trading preferences, your employment status, proof of ID, which is the KYC, and proof of address, where you need to enter that you actually live inside of this specific country that you have chosen previously. Once you've done all that, all of the features of BlackBull Markets will open up so you can start trading onto your live account and demo account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!